Hey guys, today I am going to show you one of my favorite things that we added to our master bathroom, and that is this shower head. Art really wanted one of the rainfall shower heads. I was very worried about water pressure, how that was going to affect things. We both also wanted the handheld wand. Most of the shower heads like this are extremely expensive, but we found this one on Amazon. It was affordable, under $50 actually, if you can believe that. And right now, I saw yesterday that it's on sale. So I wanted to get this video out quickly to show you all because truly it is the best shower head. And I will leave a link to it in the description so that you can go and purchase yourself one. Let me show you all the features it has. What is included is this piece here and everything else. The part that comes out of your wall, it just attaches to what already comes out of your wall. Ours was chrome, so we just wrapped everything else up and spray painted it. We could really use a touch-up again, but anyway, that's how we got ours to match. There was no sense in replacing this when it was perfectly fine. So anyway, we love this shower head. I think it has like 9 settings. We've had it for about 6 months now. When it's in the down position, just the rain head comes on, and in the middle like this, both of them come on, and when it's in this, it's just the wand. So one of my concerns that I couldn't find addressed in any of the review videos was whether or not the rainfall had very much power. That was my concern, was that the water pressure would be really weak, and it's not. So let me show you. And this is totally adjustable. I like it just like this, but it has plenty of water pressure on its own. And then here, see when the thing is pointed that way, both of them work. Now, it does have a little bit decreased pressure when you have both on, which I never have a reason to have both on. I just switch back and forth from the rain head to the handheld. And let me show you the different settings for the handheld. So, oh, this is hard to do with the camera in my hand. Okay, there's 1. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, wait. I think I counted 1 too many. So let me start. I'm at the far end now. So that's the first one, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or that, I think that was 8 and that was 9.